Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make tasty visheti. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 2 cups of wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of milk powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of butter, a half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg, and lastly some warm milk. In a medium-large bowl, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of sugar and mix the 2 ingredients very well. Followed by 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and continue mixing till everything is well mixed. Your mixture should be like this. Then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of milk powder and give a quick mix. Then add a half a teaspoon of baking powder and continue mixing everything well. To add 2 cups of wheat flour and continue mixing. Lastly, you're going to pour some warm milk. Pour a bit by a bit while mixing using your hands till everything is well combined until you get a dough. As you can see in the video, I only used a half a cup of milk. I didn't use the whole milk. Then afterwards, knead the dough till a bit soft. Once you're done kneading the dough, then afterwards you're going to divide the dough into 2. Take one dough at a time, sprinkle a bit of flour, and roll the dough into a medium thick circle. Make sure you don't roll it so thin, it has to be a bit thick. Once you get this medium circle, cut horizontally so that you can be able to shape your vishetis. Then afterwards, you're going to cut them into small pieces like this. So I'm going to show you 2 techniques on how to shape your visheti. So you're going to divide the dough into 2. Then afterwards, roll the dough as you can see in the video step by step. Once you get a long strip, divide into 2, then afterwards cut them into small pieces. And I'm done shaping my vishetis. Then it's high time to deep fry them in the oil. Place a medium pot on a fire, then pour some oil and let the oil to heat up a bit. Once the oil is a bit hot, dip in the Vishetis and let them cook on a low-medium heat so that the Vishetis can cook inside. Stir them constantly so that the Visheti can cook evenly to have a nice golden brown color. Once your Vishetis are well cooked and have this amazing golden brown color, then your Vishetis are ready, and remove them from the oil and place them on a bowl. And my Vishetis are ready, and it's high time to cut them with the syrup. Then we're going to make our syrup. In a small pot, add 1 cup of sugar, a pinch of cardamom powder, and a half a cup of water, and stir a bit and let the syrup to cook till sticky. After about 5 to 7 minutes, your syrup should be thick and sticky like this. Then your syrup is ready, and remove it from the fire. Then afterwards, you're going to take a large pot and place it on a medium heat. Then add the Visheti and the syrup and mix them well using a spoon. Then afterwards, you're going to let the syrup to cook a bit while you're flipping constantly so that the syrup dries with the Vishetis. Once you get to see the syrup is starting to dry with the Vishetis, switch off the fire so that the Vishetis don't burn at the bottom. Once your Vishetis are beautiful coated with the syrup, then your Vishetis are ready, and remove them from the fire and place them on a bowl. And my tasty Vishetis are ready, as you can see in the video. You can eat along with a cup of tea, milk or coffee and enjoy your Vishetis. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.